If you want to check if your Google Pixel 11 is unlocked, the first thing that you need to do is you need to go to Settings. Now over here in Settings, you want to go to About Phone, then scroll all the way down, and then at the bottom you can find Build Number. You want to keep tapping on the build number until you need to enter your screen lock password, and after doing so you will see this information that you are now a developer. So we want to go back now to Settings and choose System Settings here. In System Settings, you can find the developer options. So let's go here. And then you should be able to find OEM unlocking. And what you can do is you can try to turn this option on. If it is possible to turn this option on, of course, you might need to use the screen lock password to continue. But if you can enable this option, then it means that your Google Pixel 11 is unlocked. And if you cannot really turn this option on, then it means that your phone is actually locked. And besides that, if you actually do manage to turn this option on, it is definitely recommended to turn it back off again afterwards for safety reasons. And that's pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.